We all know India is densely populated country, but exactly how much population we are talking? Well, world's 18% of human population is from India, and how did we get so many people in this country? I know China got it because of sex, but we don't do that in India. It's westernized concept, right? Just kidding. Of course, by sex, but it's not like India and China are only two countries who do sex or who know how to do sex, right? Then why?
Missing someone.
If you are new to this channel, welcome to the fam. I'm Snehal and I do this series called But Why. In this I pick up some random topic and try to find out why that happened. So today's topic is but why India is so populated. This all started way back in the history when the concept of countries does not even exist. Humans and animals will migrate towards the source of food and a sustainable environment to stay alive. And to find that, best way is to find flowing river. When there is a river, you have good source of drinkable water, you can grow your own food and you can hunt different animals and so on. If you see the history of civilization, old civilizations like Mesopotamia, ancient Egypt and many more started near river. Even though many civilizations started before Indus civilization and Shah dynasty, their geographical structure was not very suitable for human beings. Indus civilization is currently India and Pakistan, and Shah dynasty is a Chinese civilization. I am going to talk about both of these countries because China is world's most populous country and India is second large populous country. So back to the point, geography of India and China. Where the land of India and China have huge river, fertile land and a very good weather. Therefore, humans started to migrate towards this land. In fact, in history, India and China are very advanced agricultural societies than any other civilizations. So, geography plays huge role in India and China's population. That means India and China had a huge head start than the rest of the world. Also, many historic events plays huge role in world's population. Like in Europe, plague killed nearly 50% of Europe's population in 6th century. Again in 16th century, Black Death plague killed nearly 1/3 of Europe's population. Then there was a battle between Mongols and Iranians which affected hugely in Middle East Asia. And in America, nearly 90% of Native Americans were wiped out during European conquest. Luckily, India escaped all of this situation and China somehow managed to recover their population very quickly. By the 17th century, world's nearly 60% of human population is from India and China. So to conclude, India and China have huge population now because they started with huge population in the past. Having a large population is a big asset to any country, but having overpopulation can create more damage than good, which both India and China are currently facing. We will discuss that in some other video. This video is about how we get this population. Hope you like this video. If you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget to check my Instagram handle. I post a lot there. And I will see you next time.
Missing someone.